Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PCG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But a very impressive bounce on this one. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that this morning the price went all the way down there, but since then has been able to work its way back up to that area. Now, don't get me wrong, there's still a lot of work that needs to be done, but any rational person would say, yeah, that's been a very nice bounce. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of true, strength, or is this just some sort of dead cat bounce, fake movement back to the upside type thing, knee-jerk reaction? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves on a single area, and that area is down here at $8.85. And the reason why that area is so important, I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but let's say the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, and then break to the downside. What would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal point of view, you would have the price basically right back to where it started. Not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Now, to be fair, though, I mean, no price can go straight up, so maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, now all of a sudden, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have those lows there. If you envision each one of those as stair-steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote-unquote, progress being, right there at that green line. Now, in the event the upwards move continues, where are these levels of resistance at? Next couple are going to be right up here, that the pink and purple line, those being the 250 period moving averages. And you can see their values right up around here. So let's just split the difference and let's just ballpark it right around $9.15. So going into next week, the next key battleground to watch very closely will be $9.15. But overall, very nice bounce today. Now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this momentum next week? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.